Hello there, I'm Mr. Bob, and I'll be your teacher for today. Today, we will talk about basic verb conjugation. We will talk about changing verbs in the simple present tense. This is good for A1 beginner students. Today, we'll talk about basic verb conjugation. We'll talk about changing verbs. Many times we change verbs. When? When do we change verbs? And why? Why do we change verbs? Well, he, she, it, name. Yes, I want S. Like, he run or he runs? He runs. That is correct. Yes, I want S. Or she goes to the park. Or Ben slides on the slide. Or Joe flies a kite. And yeah, he, she, it, name. Yes, I want S. Or does or has. We see this in questions a lot more, like does he like to fly a kite? Does she like to throw a ball? Many times we see does in questions. Or has, same idea. She has a toy. Liz has a ball. Then I, you, we, they. No S. Or do or have. I run or I runs. I run. Or do you want to play? Does she want a ball? Now she needs S. She needs does. But you? No S. Just do. Do you want to play? Yeah. Or what do they have? Ben has a slide. But Joe and May, they have kites. Two people, they have many things. Many people have many things. They have kites, they have a ball, and. Now, it's your turn. I want you to make some questions, okay? Take a minute, pause the video, make some questions with these words. First, does May throw a ball? May? No. May does not throw a ball. Does Ben slide on a slide? Yes. Ben slides on a slide. Yes, I want S here. He, she, it, name. Yes, I want S here. What do Ray and Liz do? Ray and Liz, they play with a ball. Or maybe Ray throws a ball to Liz. Yeah. Ray throws a ball to Liz. Thank you for your time. That's all we have for today. If you like videos like these, please leave a message. You can leave a message down below. Please send me a direct message. If you have more questions, about anything, please let me know. I have been teaching for a very long time. I love to answer student questions. Thank you very much for your time. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.